Today in front of me I have the EUFY Indoor Cam 2K pan and tilt, and in this video I will show how you can check for firmware updates or simply update the firmware of this camera. So to begin, you will need to take your phone, launch the EUFY security app, then go into your camera settings, General, About Device, check for firmware update, then Update Now. And as you can see, my firmware is getting update as we speak, but it says that it will take about 10 minutes, so we do not have to sit around and wait for this full procedure to finish. So long story short, just wait out until this firmware update is finished, and that will be it. Your, well, firmware is updated this way. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.